If you encounter the payment method not supported error on Twilio, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method compatibility. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update billing information. Log into your Twilio account and navigate to the billing section. Make sure that all your billing information, including the card number, expiration date, and billing address, is accurate and up to date. Step 3. Use a different payment method. If your current payment method continues to show an error, try using a different credit card or payment option. Sometimes, specific cards may have restrictions or issues that prevent successful transactions. Step 4. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or credit card provider to ensure there are no issues on their end. Sometimes, banks block transactions for security reasons, so confirming with them can help resolve the issue. Step 5. Reach out to Twilio support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, contact Twilio support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment method not supported error on Twilio. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from Twilio's support team.